Welcome to the Pegasus solar training video for tile replacement mount installation. Pegasus's tile replace mount is the simplest and quickest way to install solar on a tile roof. It fits flat, S and W-shaped roof tiles. The sled provides extra flexibility to reach rafters up to 26 inches on center. First, remove the tile where the mount will be located. After locating the rafter, use the included template to determine the optimal location of the sled. Using a 7/32 inch drill bit, drill pilot holes for the lag screws. The base flashing is designed to be flashed using 3 coursing, bibbing, caulking, and other methods as required by your AHJ. For example, apply compliant roof caulking in a U shape on the underside of the base flashing. Drive the lag screws through the sled and base flashing until secure. Next, slide the tile replace flashing over the sled. Then, drop the post with the pre-installed T-bolt through the flashing and twist the post to engage the T-bolt with the sled. Once hand tight, use channel locks to tighten the post a quarter turn. Optionally, place a bead of roof caulking on the post before sliding on the EPDM boot for an extra layer of water protection. If you're using rails on Pegasus's mounts, place the L foot on the post and tighten the bolt. The post is solid below the bolt hole to prevent water from leaking through, thereby eliminating the need for any washers. If you are using our module integrated system, place the extension arm on the post in the desired position and tighten the bolt. Using these tips will make your tile roof installations a breeze and help you have a better day on the job.